Hi guys, it's Nicey here and welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create your YouTube account or your YouTube channel using your mobile phone so that you can watch and even upload your videos or even like, comment, and subscribe to your videos that you like. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell on your screen for more postings and updates. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your YouTube channel in just 3 easy steps. First is you need to consider the internet connection using your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection because this requires an online application. Second that you need to consider is that you must have a Gmail account or create a Gmail address. Last one is that you have or you need to sign in YouTube channel. So let's head on. So that's the complete steps of creating your YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And once again, Nicey here. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon on my next videos. Bye!